Welcome everyone. Thanks for joining us this hour. We are very happy to share the story of WiseBytes. More than 7 years ago, we challenged ourselves to implement the most current version of a top-tier ERP software in less than 100 days for our client. We completed that ERP implementation project successfully, amidst significant challenges, in barely 94 days, and that too within the budget. That success convinced us on our approach of implementing ERP software, and we continued implementing ERP systems successfully one after another. A succinct understanding of the client's business processes has been at the core of our repeat successes. WiseBytes has evolved from that same core principle, and helps streamlining the business processes prior to any systems implementation. So what do we do at WiseBytes? We help transform enterprise processes into experiences, delivering value from the very first step of the digital transformation. Our mantra of delivering successful systems implementations has been to streamline processes first. We have matured our mantra to its next level with the application of AI and process mining software. The comprehensive solution helps us identify process frictions and execution gaps in enterprise performance. Our strategic focus continues to be process-driven excellence for the enterprise. For illustration, some of the processes are being displayed. Our solution is software and process agnostic. Our effort is driven by the strategic goals of the enterprise. We are a striving partner for your success in enterprise's excellence. We help optimize outcomes by improving the workflows. The sustainable cycle of continuous process excellence starts with data collection from source systems. It helps visualize the processes through real-time connections. The discovery phase is about understanding the root causes. Enhancements include tasks automation, proactive process interventions, and prescribing intelligent actions. Finally, executives and managers will have the tools to track key metrics, benchmark continuously, and monitor process conformances. The process improvement journey starts with the identification of pain points and a clear understanding of the strategic goals. After analyzing the inputs, our team puts together a plan of actions with details as to what will it take to deliver to the expectations. Accordingly, the enterprise data sets and the corresponding source systems are identified. Appropriate data connections are established for extracting the data. At the next step, the extracted data flows through the process mining module to facilitate the process visualization, using the real transaction data. We highlight the inherent process frictions and execution gaps. We also quantify the opportunities in terms of the business value. Finally, we recommend solution options for transforming into a superfluid enterprise. This helps us answer the common question, how all that happens. As we see, irrespective of the source systems in action, we capture the digital footprints of the transactions. The extraction process detects and constructs digital workflow traces. Finally, we have a full transparent process for our visualization. We have an illustration of procure-to-pay process. The process discovery and analysis helps us visualize all the process variance that exists in the process. It also provides the relevant attributes of the transaction for each of the process variants. On further drill down and extended analysis, one can get the answers to the 5 whys for eliminating the root causes. Our solution is not confined to one or few sections of the value chain. Its application can help optimize key matrices across the value chain. We help maximize business execution capacity. In fact, we are at the dawn of a new era of business execution. We have plenty of data around indicating that most companies simply are not running at their full potential. The evidence is everywhere, across every primary business area. Let's talk about customer services. The leading performers hit a Net Promoter Score as high as 97. whereas the average Net Promoter Score is only around 31. Similarly, as you may see, we have multiple avenues to tap the unused capacity within the enterprises. This slide shows customer successes across the industry with this solution. Finally, we have the prominent use cases of our services. Let's understand the value proposition in terms of the enterprise events. If your enterprise is considering integrating with another company and become a larger enterprise, then our services can help visualize the precise differences in process steps of the enterprises and their associated cost and value. A must-have service offering to maximize the holistic value add. If you are considering improving business processes, and maybe further automating those, then our services can help you visualize the process frictions and execution gaps, to decide what is the appropriate solution that adds most value. Considering implementing software systems, then it's imperative to engage us to understand the process the way it has been happening, instead of running marathon meetings using whiteboard drawings, based on memories and guesses. Such rudimentary approach for finalizing the future state of the enterprise has been very time-consuming and costly affair. If the objective is to upgrade software systems, then our services can help you visualize what process has not been efficient and realize what needs be changed through upgrade for a better ROI. Team WiseBytes is happy to be of help. Let's work together. Thank you.